I decided to make this video to ask the public in general, or maybe YouTube can help, or anyone at all who has also been facing such a thing that I find very disturbing and sad, and also it makes me feel a bit I don't know what to say, it's but deceived or something, demoralized. I have this channel here, and then my channel is very young, and every view and every subscriber is like a gold to me. I did this video here, which is this tattoo video, and it was growing. It was the video that was the best in the week. I tried to upload a video every day, and I had about 100, and that's about 4 days ago. I had about 113 views, so I was so excited about it. And then the next day, that is 3 days ago, suddenly the views were halved. So I suddenly had 52 views, and I thought, okay, that doesn't make sense. How can this happen that I had 113 and suddenly it has become 52? And I thought, okay, I leave it, it will grow again, since it was a good video, and that's why maybe it grew that much. It would come again. But one thing I'm beginning to realize, that my videos now seem not to be suggested by YouTube, or I don't know what is happening. Either the YouTube algorithm is not suggesting my videos, and also I don't understand why YouTube reduced my views. So if there is anybody in YouTube who can answer this question, or anyone who has also been facing such a thing, because one thing also I realized in YouTube is so far I've done about 70 videos in Inkscape, and I will be thinking, if I write my Inkscape, if I write Inkscape in YouTube, my video at least will pop up or something. But there are only like 2 groups of people whose videos keep popping up. So I don't know how can newcomers and other people get their videos seen or watched if YouTube is not actually suggesting even our videos. I mean, if you've been a YouTuber, you know the work you put in, and I'm not expecting that those people who've been there for long, I'm coming and doing something to overtake them or something like that. But you expect that your videos are also at least featured, so that you can also grow in a way. I'm just lost here. First, the important thing is, how come my views were halved? And the next thing is, since my channel was growing gradually, it has taken a while. It's been and suddenly I was getting something like 1 subscriber every day or something, which was, I mean, somebody will say it's funny or it's not, but it's meant a lot to me. And ever since YouTube halved, that's my thing, I've not even had any subscriber anymore or anything. So I don't know whether my channel is being ghosted, whether the algorithm has done something to it, whether there is somebody in YouTube who is doing that intentionally. I mean, I have so many things going on in my mind now. I've always had a good impression about YouTube, that it's an open place where everybody can upload something, and I mean, as long as you follow protocol and upload something, your video could be seen or watched. But I don't know. The first thing is, since none of us know what the algorithm does, and there are people and human beings working behind the scenes, I don't know whether they can influence anything and make things unfair or what. The only problem I have is if somebody has an answer to what I'm asking, and if somebody has also experienced or is experiencing what I am facing, I'll be grateful for somebody to help me with that, or YouTube itself to help me with that. Thank you. Please write your comments down for me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.